Oh.
Close your eyes.
Do you see something?
What do we have? Train.
What is it, Carson? That's from Grampy and Nana. Oh. Oh, it's a helicopter?
You don't know what to play with first. Daddy's gonna get out of the shop. Those are your trains.
They're for Carson.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for Carson. It's Carson's. What is everything?
I even said to myself before I went to bed, make sure you turn your fireplace.
Is that exciting, Carson? Do you love it? No.
Yeah.
Is that very exciting? Whose birthday is it? What do we say? Happy birthday. And how old are you? Yeah, the truck. Can you say you're 2? Say, I'm 2.
Do you say thank you to Grampy and Nono?
Grampy and Nana.
Sorry.
Say thank you. Carson, can you look at Mommy? Carson. There's a train coming. Train coming. Say thank you.
Did Daddy have it?
Okay. Can you just say bye, Carson? Say bye.
Bye.
Okay.